What up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, no? Tingin tayo ng mga updates sa ating mahalima, no? So, medyo malat pa rin ang boss ko guys. Hindi pa siya ganun ka nakaka-recover talaga kasi sa mga hindi nakakalam, no? May event kami na nakaraan, no? Which is Sports Fest po ng company, no? Na kinabibilangan, no? Let's go. Yun. Sports Fest, and then at the same time coach, at the same time dance coach, basketball coach, head committee, tapos parang sa event ako guys, sa comedy ako sa event. Puro sigaw. Kaya medyo iba pa ang ating boses. Okay guys, tingin tayo ng mga updates. Very big shout out syempre kay SB Edits, no? Kanya po itong video na ating papanoorin, no? So, tara, let's go. Panoorin na ito.
SB Edits. Fresh, new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. Another great news that we'll be going to share to you 18, as in Rock and Music Magazine, Movie Magazine, Movie Star, and Figure Skaters Publishing has announced that they had an interview with SB19 during Mahalima's stay in Japan. They mentioned that they will release exclusive photos and an extremely long interview and asked the fans to wait a little longer for the details of the issue. Philip is the first member of SB19 to be featured on their magazine last year, while SB19 as a group were also featured as a pin-up feature for their October magazine issue this year 2025 with Ed Sheeran as the issue cover. There's no details yet if SB19 will become the issue cover, but nonetheless, congratulations SB19X18. The boys are really starting their career to grow in Japan. Tune in 18 for the update regarding this magazine issue, and we'll see if there are a lot more surprises and events awaits us, as we know SB19 spent longer days in Japan.
Isa sa magandang kasi yun guys, no? Pag halimbawa naging part ka ng isang article or kahit guys sa magazine mismo andun ka, no? Na malaking bagay yan sa atin guys. Kasi hindi naman agad-agad yan guys na tipong andun ka agad, di ba? Andun ka agad sa lugar na yun, no? Na kayo agad yung cover, kayo agad yung headline. Hindi guys, unti-unti yan guys, no? Walang tao, for me ewan ko sa inyo kung meron na po kayo nakita, no? Pero wala pa ako nakikita ng tao na biglang bulusok talaga yung pag-angat guys, no? Wala gan, as in unti-unti yan guys. Gradual yan, hindi siya yung as in ganyan, no? I think yung mga umaangat agad ng paganyan, yung sobrang ayun yung nakakatakot guys, believe me, no? Kasi hindi mo alam yung process eh. Sa SB19 kasi talagang inaral nila yung proseso, kaya medyo gradual yung pag-angat nila, no? Although mabilis yung growth nila, no? Pero syempre gradual kasi talagang lahat inaral nila, choreography, sila gumagawa, tapos although ngayon, di ba, medyo may choreographer sa Sir J, pero before talaga as in, talaga sila gumagawa, no? At the same time yung pag-compose ng kanta, direct ng mga ng music videos, di ba? Grabe yung talentong meron sa SB19, no?
SB Edits. Fresh, new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and we got another set of SB19 achievements to give you 18, as SB19 set 8 new streams record on Spotify in just 7 days. This result is from September 21 to September 27, 2025, starting with Ganto from the first take now have 6 million streams. SB19 X Ben and Ben's
Guys, isipin nyo naman Gento, ang tagal na ng Gento, no? As in, no? Pero namamayag pa rin up to this day, guys, no? Kasi actually may ganyan talaga nangyayari, no? Ayan, kunyari, ano ba yung mga ganyan? Isipin nyo, no? Tulad na ito, yung nangyari ngayon, no? Yung kanta ni Glock na inaupuan. Ang tagal na, guys. 14 years ago pa po yata, no? 15 years or 10 years ago. Tapos ngayon lang siya pumutok talaga. Putok na siya before, guys. Sobrang sikat yung kantang yun. Pero as in, nag-boom talaga siya ngayon, no? Kumbaga, panahon lang siya, guys, no? So, ang SB19, I think, may time din na ganyan, no? Kahit sikat siya ngayon, may darating yung time na sobrang papatok din siya and puputok siya, guys, no? Diba? grabe, tagal na ng gento, pero namamayagpag pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Yan. And SB19's Liham both garnered 18 million streams. Alab with 21 million streams. Go
Ayan ang legend talaga guys, Alab no, solid, at saka Go Up, legend.
Up accumulated 25 million streams. I Want You with 29 million streams. Hanggang sa huli, now have 30 million streams, and finally Damn with a massive 47 million
Grabe.
streams. SB19 officials shared as well their chart achievements in Japan with the release of Simula at Wakas CD album. Here are the current list of achievements. The CD album landed at number 1 in daily Oricon charts under international category. Number 14 at daily Oricon charts under overall category. Number 6 at weekly international Japan physical chart. Number 17 in Billboard Japan. Number 1 in CD Japan under all genre category. Number 1 as well in New Wing under world music category. Number 1 in Tower Records under world or reggae category. Number 3 in Rakuten Books under K-pop or Asia category. And finally, number 45 in 7net Shopping under K-pop Asia Asian Pop category. Most of these achievements 18 are first time for a P-pop act or group, and even for a Filipino act to achieve. So huge congratulations to us SB19X18, and cheers for more SB19 achievements to come.
Ayan yung mga achievements guys na hindi nakikita mostly ng mga tao, ng mga bashers. Kasi mga bashers guys, ganyan lang naman yan, mga makapang-bash lang, tapos wala na, biglang paghalimbawa na supalpal, biglang magalaw ng parang bula. Yung ganyan mga bashers po talaga guys. So, pero ito yung mga achievements na SB19 na hindi nila alam na, di ba? Kasi hindi naman siya to the point na alam niya na yung mainstream media natin talagang medyo may pinapanigan din, no? Alam mo na yun. Pero, syempre, tuloy lang SB19 sa pagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating bansa, no? Isa naman talagang SB19 sa nagbibigay. Actually, for now sa music industry, no? Internationally, speaking of international guys, no? SB19 talaga ang sobrang nagbibigay. If not, isa sila sa mga sobrang nagbibigay or malaking ambag ngayon, sa panahon ngayon na malaking ambag pagpapakilala ng OPM music or P-pop music guys, no? Ganyan kalaki ang influence ng SB19, no? Kaya hindi na ako nagtataka guys kung ba't sila nakakuha ng mga ganitong klaseng achievements, mga ganyang awards, diba? Kasi yung impact nila guys all over the world is talaga napaka-impactful po talaga, no? Kaya for me, isa to sa mga magandang nangyayari sa SB19, yung hindi lang sa isang lugar sila nagdo-dominate, which is sa Philippines, sa ating bansa, no? Pero internationally talaga guys, dominate po talaga nila, no? Ganyang kasolid ng SB19, no? And lingid man sa kaalaman natin, no? Pero saan parte yun guys, no? Parang meron silang ginawa na inaral nila mismo yung language, tapos in-incorporate nila sa kanta guys, di ba, no? Grabe, ang solid ng SB19, no? Talagang doon makikita guys, ina-appreciate nila yung mga fans, and then at the same time binibigay talaga nila yung appreciation nila, like nirespeto namin yung bansa nyo, kaya nirespeto niya kami, kaya ibibigay nyo rin yung respeto namin sa inyo, no? Ganyan kasolid ng SB19, no? Ayun. Kaya talaga sobrang blessed sila, humble P-pop kings, at the same time humble kings guys, no? Ganyan ang SB19, ganyan natatak SB19, no? So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood nitong video, no? At the same time guys, subscribe po kayo kay SB Edits, no? So this is Pwede Signing out. Peace, let's cheer.